All right, what's up, guys? Today is 10/17/2025, and today we're going to be. Y'all already know it, man. It's Friday, guys. It's time to get paid. It's time to crush these markets, man. These markets have been absolutely wonderful, and I want to talk about today what we've been doing. I want today to be a perfect perfect example of how we execute our day trading strategy. And just quickly, really quickly, let's just talk about what's working, right? So every day before I start trading, I like to remind myself of what's actually working so that I can stick to those tools, right? Like, I don't want to go into the day thinking, oh, let's just decide to trade completely different, right? Like, I want to remain grounded in what actually is working. And basically, for that singular purpose of staying in the present moment and executing the way I'm supposed to execute. So if I pull up the Discord over here, I just want to show you guys briefly a couple of daily recaps over here, just to remind ourselves once again what's actually working. So yesterday's trade was the largest trade P&L wise that I've had all year. Okay, $2,100 here, 177% return just by trading our simple three-step approach, right? So once again, what is it we're looking for? We're looking for moving average crosses. We're looking to trade off key levels. Okay, we got open print, we have end of day right here. But what's most important is identifying these RBIs and GBIs. Okay, so this right here is what we call a green bar that got disrespected, right? But we aren't just entering in short as soon as we see that. Sometimes we do, and that's based entirely off the 20 EMA. Okay, so we were kind of far right here from the 20, so I didn't want to go short right there. I wanted to go short right here. All right, so once again, we're still in that box, that area of value. We come up to the 20 EMA here on the 2-minute. I went short on this candle right here, right around this price, and my stop loss went outside that candle. Okay, you see here, we almost got stomped out, but we didn't. Sellers continued to defend the 20. This is what's been working for me. It keeps me extremely patient, keeps me grounded, and it keeps my risk extremely tight. Okay, whether you're trading futures, options, you're going to want your risk to be high and tight. Okay, so we've made a couple trades here on the Top Step account in pre-market, coming into the day up 991. Nothing crazy, but just once again trading that simple approach of being able to identify areas of value. All right, like we spotted one here in pre-market, and we were able to capitalize on a long play right here. Price rallied up. We caught some more price action here off the 2-minute 20. If I drop down to that 2-minute, what are we seeing? We're seeing a lot of action. Okay, now you do not need to be a hero. What do I mean by that? That means when price comes into the 2-minute, like right here, and you can't close outside the 2-minute 20, and you're inside an area of value, okay, feel free to enter in really close to these moving averages and capitalize on these little pumps up here. 2 contracts, this right here is a $400 or $500 trade, probably more. So once again, like, you don't need to be a hero. Our job is to manage risk, keep our risk high and tight. Don't put ourselves in vulnerable scenarios, and just use the tools that you have, right? RBIs, GBIs, right? Like, our goal is to identify healthy price action. And the primary way I do that is by using my RBIs and my GBIs. Okay, so that's exactly what we're going to do today. I'm really excited. Let's do a quick pre-market plan here so we can go into the day prepared. So today is Friday. You guys know we tend to trade Tesla and SPY, meaning SPX and ES, right? Obviously, if the NASDAQ is providing good opportunity, we would trade the NASDAQ as well. So let's do Tesla real quick. And the pre-market plan is always, every single day. The reason my pre-market plan has one purpose, and it's to give me 2 outcomes, right? Price is either going to go up or price is going to go down. Okay, so it's up to me to figure out, hey, who's in control of the of price action today, right? So that's all going to be determined off this level right here, 42628 on Tesla. This is a key level of structure on the 1-hour time frame. you could see buyers already took back previous day low. And once they took PDL, price rallied all the way up to 426. So the market moves in structural. Okay. The market moves in like a structured fashion, right? So like, yeah. So as price breaks structure, you're going to see very large moves to the next level of structure. So just like what we've seen here at PDL, I'm looking for similar price action here. We're kind of extended from the 1 hour trend. So a pullback does make a little sense. But once again, we're going to allow the market to tell us that. All right. So that's Tesla. Tesla, our key level right here is 42628. All right. Now let's break into SPY. SPY, we're getting a lot of buying in pre-market. And once again, bullish, bearish scenario. What am I watching? Previous day low, very key level. End of day, very key level. You can see we're at end of day right now. But what's very important here is this 65892 level. All right, this level right here. So we are currently looking at a, what is this? Inverse head and shoulder. And you guys see where I'm getting this level, right? So once again, 1 hour time frame, primary use, market structure, right? Like when I look at the 1 hour, I'm trying to determine what's the market telling me. How do I do that? By using the market structure. Break and retest, okay? We literally had a break below 653. Buyers took it back. Boom! She rallied all the way back up to previous day low. We're above previous day low. Boom! Market rallies all the way up to 65892. Now we're above 65892. We've come into end of day. Once again, we are a little extended here from the 1 hour trend. That doesn't necessarily mean a pullback, okay? But the trend is definitely extended. So these are just tools that we're going to use to better understand buying acceptance, okay? But at the end of the day, buying acceptance above this level is bullish, looking to target EOD and above, all right? So that's how I'm trading SPY. Let's map our SPX levels right here. So once again, we have previous day low. Previous day low is a key level, all right, because that's that level of structure. I'm always using previous day levels. They've just served me way better than anything else. End of day is right here. And once again, right, like it's all based off the philosophy. We can't move the market. The banks move the market. So we should probably watch the levels that the banks are at, right? That's going to be previous day high, low, open and close. These levels have a lot of volume. So this is going to be right here, our bull target. So I'm going to go bull target. Boom. And then we have previous day open print. So we can, hold on, what color is that? That's yellow. So this is going to be today's open print. We're going to be open right around EOD. All righty. All right, we got previous day high. And then we got previous day open print, which is going to be another bull target. Pre-OP. Bam, baby. Definitely watching price action here off end of day. All right. Like we've ran into this level in pre-market. Now, once again, we're a little extended from that 1 hour trend. We literally just got a little area of value right here. Okay. So definitely going to be watching to see what sellers do at EOD. But once again, I'm really focused on this level. Okay. The 65892. 65892. All right. We got a minute. I'm going to hit the head. Guys, let's have a phenomenal day today. All right. I think we're looking pretty light on news. If anybody has any other information about news, go ahead and drop it. Let me see here. We got that. always valuable to know if and when Trump or anybody is speaking. All right, let's pull up our Top Step account. Just kind of see if we can throw it here. I'm wondering. All right, can I like make this? Yeah, do something like that right there. Hold up. Can I? Oh God. All right, something like that. All right, and the market opens up. Look at SPX is opening right here at this key level. Okay, it's important. It's important. Very important. All right, let's see. Once again, we're coming into that area of value. We're getting a lot of selling. Where's my... Oh, God. Oh, God. All right, where? Hold up. Oh, God. Where's my buy thing? There we go. Okay. All right. So once again, y'all see how that area of value was respected? Right there. It was respected very well. So honestly, I'm interested in a possible pullback to the 2-minute 20 for a short play. But let's see. Let's see what we get here. Price has been extremely volatile, which is good. You don't necessarily need to trade very high size. Just trade off your 2-minute, right? Trade off your 2-minute retest and your areas of value. I'm watching this level right here on SPY 65892. This is very important. It's a key level. Very important right here. I like seeing this key level on SPX line right up with open print as well. Like this is like definitely what you want to see here. You guys see what I'm talking about, right? Once again, using that that market structure here to identify that key level. Let's see. And not to mention, we have an area of interest right here off SPY. All right, so this is looking good. I like this. Let's see what we get. Price action has been beautiful, man. Knock on wood. Okay. Beautiful price action. We've been getting great setups. Month of October has been absolutely flawless. Really good price action. Our 3-step approach has been printing. Absolutely printing. So don't be afraid to trade it. Only thing I'm not liking for longs is the fact that the 20 here on the 5-minute did not hold. So that is a sign of weakness. That is a sign of weakness. But once again, and this is the power of the moving average, is it keeps us right there in that present moment. Okay, we're not making things up. We're not jumping to conclusions. We're watching the moving average to see who's defending it, right? Do the buyers got it? Oh, well, if buyers had it, they probably wouldn't allow this to happen right here, right? So we got to watch to see what happens there. My man Sparky, what up, brother? Let's have a phenomenal day. Probably getting a retest right here on the 2-minute. It's probably a valid short play right here. Hold on. Oh, yeah, look at that. That's beautiful right there. That is beautiful. Look how we could not close outside that level. Let me see here. Could not close outside the 2-minute in the area of value. I'm not taking the short only because the 1-hour trend is bullish. And I just want to give it a little minute to, what's the word? Hold on 1 second, guys. Hey. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. Oh, yeah, I will. I'll put it on the kitchen table. All right, love you, baby. My girl needs my credit card. Give me 1 second. All right. Look at this buying right here. Getting a lot of buying coming out of this level. I really starting to like this. Really, I like seeing these buyers. I like seeing that false breakout below the 20 right there. I like that we're coming up into end of day as well. Let's see if we can get some buying criteria here. Looks pretty good. Let me see. Price comes in. We still got that battle up at EOD and SPX here. Is coming into a key level. All right, so see what we get. According to the 1 hour pre-market plan, guys, we are currently bullish. Okay, that level of structure held very well. So I'm just reminding myself that. Let's see here. Very nice bounce. Yeah, I'm looking for some possible long criteria. Now, I ain't going long unless I'm getting a retest off. Unless I'm close to the 20, I do not participate in the market. That's just a rule that helps me make a lot of money, and it keeps me from losing money. Okay, so I need some sort of pullback here, and I want to see that 20 be respected. And all in all, I really like seeing the 65892 level hold, but I really don't know if the market's in a fruitful state just yet. I don't like trading into EOD here on SPX. A lot of volume coming into the market. A lot of volume coming in. And that makes sense, right? Because we're literally at end of day. Let's see here if I can actually... Where's my volume? Okay, yeah, there we go. Got some volume. Coming into EOD, price is getting a little sporadic. Oh, no. All right, let's see. Let's take a gander over here at QQQ. Buyers are definitely showing a little bit of strength here. We're getting a nice rally up. Nice little retest there at the 20 too. Really not bad. Let's highlight this level. I open print on QQQ. Okay, you guys see that RBI baby. Let's watch that. SPY got one of those? Let me see. What's the high? 58. They're the exact same. All right, QQQ, we're rallying up here into end of day. SPY's above EOD. Let's see. What's my 1 hour telling me here? 1 hour is definitely bullish. We're coming up into that 50 though. Okay, that 50 ain't nothing to play with. Let's stay a little patient. Watching QQQ here as we're coming back into the area of value. This might be a solid long here on QQQ. Let's just stay a little patient. Let's stay a little patient. Let's let the 20 tell us. See what's happening right here? We're coming into the 20. If buyers want this, they got to hold this. And we're seeing a lot of selling coming into it. A lot of selling. Once again, this is why we just really don't make that many moves until the market actually gives us good criteria. Like, like in my mentorship program, the first module that we learn is identifying healthy and unhealthy opportunity. Because most of the time, guys, we're losing money not because our strategy, but it's because we're not trading good market conditions. I'm watching this on cue for potential longs, believe it or not. We're coming into a RBI here. Let's see. It's just that 2 minutes got a hold, and that's looking a little bearish. Okay, sellers took it. So that is exactly how I use the 20 EMA to determine if I want to get into a trade or not. Looking a little sloppy. Ready? Check this out. SPX. What did we say? We didn't really want to long into end of day. That's why. That is why. Coming back into open print. Look at the 50 here on SPX as well. 50 held pretty good. We got open print in this key level, guys. We fall below 658, and things can get very bearish today. Give us a moving average cross, baby. Let's go. Moving average cross, RBI, GBI. I'm in it. I'm taking it. But we're not there yet. So let's see. Coming into open print here. Oh, guys, we're actually coming into this AOV. It's a red bar that was ignored. So if sellers lose this, which they're losing it as we speak, or if buyers lose it, I mean, we got a lot of fear coming into the market right now too. I'm sure you guys seen Bitcoin is having a nice little pullback. A lot of fears coming into the market, and it's all from last Friday, dude. Last Friday it was hilarious. Literally out of nowhere, the bottom of the market just falls right out. All right, this is an important level here. Let's see what happens on the 2 minute as we come into 65892. I like where we're at. I really like where my head's at. I feel really good right now. 435. All that practice on demand starting to pay off. You know, I'm starting to feel a lot more confident, and not just confident, but just patient, right? Like really diligent. Like I'm not participating until the market actually tells me to. I feel like I've, I'm getting past the FOMOs and the, because none of that stuff really serves me. And, even when we get lucky on a FOMO, we're literally just programming our mind to behave in an inconsistent way, right? So I'm thankful for that. Yes is looking pretty bearish right now. I mean, whip out that 2 minute. I tell you what, if we come up to that 20 and we can't close, I'll try a short play here on the 2 minute. We're right there at open print. This key level here at 65892. Let's see what that daily time frame looks like. Let's see if we can get anything there. Watching SPX too as we're falling down below open print. SPX starting to look a lot more bearish. All right, let's see here. Nice push. Didn't really get it just yet. What am I looking at? I am looking at this level, this area of value right here, and this level. Okay, so this is the level I'm looking at right here. Coming into that 50. Let's get a pullback to the 2. Let's see if we can get a pullback to the 20. I'll take a little short play down to PDL. All right. Kayo, what up, buddy? Welcome. Love seeing my HPT crew members here. Strong selling here off EOD. Getting some strong selling. Got the Top Step account up. Once again, I'm just always reminding myself what's working, right? We got an area of value right up here. We're starting to get that shift. I'm looking for a retest up here at the 2-minute 20 for a possible short play. Might get it, might not. It really doesn't matter to me. Because if I don't get this one, we get the next one, right? Like, that's how I like to look at it. It's never worth compromising your patience, your moral character. It's all about just staying focused on what it is that's working and just pulling that trigger. So let's see if we can get something here. Interesting. Watch. Look at this. 1 hour time frames really low. The moving average, right? All the way down here. But guys, like, we can't completely forget we got ourselves here an inverse. Okay. We got shoulder, head. We need that right shoulder. I don't want to get ahead of myself because we don't have it just yet. All right. We have fallen below 65892. Watching the open print retest here for a potential short. See if we can get that. Potential short play. I need to see the 20. I need the 20 to be touched. This is going to be a quick move because previous day low is pretty close if I do decide to take this. But it's all going to be based primarily off what happens at the 20. If we don't touch the 20, I don't take the trade. But that also means something as well. It means that selling's very aggressive, and it also means that buyers might be kind of sideline at the moment. It doesn't necessarily mean they're losing, right? It just means maybe they're waiting for a better price, right? Like, have you ever noticed how fast things go down is just as how fast they go up, right? That polarity. So if I don't get a retest of the 20, I'm fine because in my mind, I go, listen, I don't want to be a part of the market if unless it's structured in the way I like it. So now I don't rush setups. I stay patient and ready because then once I see it, bam, I act. And I avoid FOMOing into things now. Only thing I won't like too much about this short play is the fact that we're kind of playing around here with 65892. All right, let's see what happens. See if we can get a retest here. Coming up to that 20 and open print. Mom always told me don't trade the flat 20. 20 is too flat. Way too flat, right? And that's okay. It's not necessarily that the market's bad right now. It's just that it's 20 super flat. So it's still trying to determine if it wants to go up or down, right? It's still in consolidation phase. So this is something I'm not going to be shorting because we came up into the 20 and just blew right through it. Look at this on SPX, dude. Dang, son. Look at that. Look at that. Once again, in that 65892 level is super important. All right, that's a new area of value right there. And what I like about this one is it's right off the 50 EMA. It's at open print, and there's a moving average cross there. Market's still a bit choppy, so I'm not entering into it. But as far as understanding the context, I'm feeling pretty good right now. I'm feeling like sellers try. And what I say, guys, I was like, yeah, selling's aggressive right now, but it doesn't necessarily mean that buyers are weak. They were just maybe staying a little patient. They wanted that. They wanted that better. They wanted whatever price they wanted. So I'm glad we stayed patient on that one. Very strong buying. All right, now we got ourselves a nice little AOV. Let's see if we can get a retest at the 2-minute 20, and maybe we'll participate. SPX is still battling that level right there. Let's see what QQQ is doing. Look at that. That definitely looks bullish right there. QQQ, very similar. That looks really good. Good. Okay. What I like about what I like about the NASDAQ here is it actually almost came down to previous day low. Right? This level. It came right into that zone right there. Ready, guys? It couldn't break this area of value. You guys see that? So in pre-market, we have an area of value. Price came right into it. Respected it. That's what I like to see. I like to see price action behaving in a manner that I understand. SPY with a nice push right here. We got our eye on 66515. So now we kind of understand buyers got the market, right? Now we have to find a way to participate without being vulnerable. Now, this is a skill that not everybody has, right? Some people see this and like, oh my God, get me in. I want to get in. I don't want to miss it. And then they end up getting stomped out on pullbacks and this, that, and the third, right? So the way I like to do this is I go, okay, I'm maybe like 80-20 bullish right now. And I want to participate. I want to get involved. I want to make the money, but I need a solid way to get in. So now is when I really rely on my pullbacks to the 20 EMA. I like SPX here above end of day. It looks like we're getting some buying pressure. This thing might rally. A lot of trap sellers right here, right? Look at this candle, guys. Close below open print, complete fake out. So it could be chop or it just could be a bunch of trap sellers. So let's see if we can get a long play coming up here. All right, watching that 2-minute 20. Still a little flat. Yeah, that 5-minute looks pretty bullish. All right, let's go. Coffee. I'm always reminding myself it's just not that serious. It's not that serious. If you don't get, like, I've made money off trades like later in the day. Yeah, is she not going to give us no opportunity? Probably not. That's all right. It is what it is. And this right here is $1 candle on the 2-minute. So I can't justify, like, you know, it's a tough scenario. This is why trading is not for everybody. You're gonna see setups. You're gonna want to get in. Ooh, come on, baby. Come on, baby. I like EOD. Let's see what that 5-minute looks like. 5 minutes still looks good here. Very strong push. Oh, shit. My bad, guys. I'm not even watching Tesla. Damn. I completely forgot about Tesla. Look at this. Red bar, ignored. Watch. I bet it's perfect. Of course it was perfect. Look. It's okay. We'll get another opportunity. Look at that entry right there on Tesla. That would have been $1,000 trade. It's okay. We'll get the next one. Damn, I can't believe I wasn't watching Tesla. But you know what? At least Tesla is moving the way I like to see her move. All right, so is SPY. I like this. We're above end of day. Things are bullish. This is good. We just need to find a way to participate in the market without going completely retarded over here. Tesla ripping right in the previous day open print. Okay, this is, I guess we can, we're coming into a key level right here on SPY. What is this? 66220. All right, let's see what happens there. Watching Tesla. All right, watching SPY here. It's becoming 62220. Still no trades for me. I like that push there from buyers. Q, very nice push. Still just no criteria though, so no trade. Tesla is super extended right now. I mean, it's extended from its 5-minute. All right. So we're kind of in patient mode. Stay patient. Once again, there's no reason to rush into anything here. Staying super patient. Always remind myself, like, to make good money in this game, you don't need to always be trading. Like, people on my Discord know I'm not always in front of the market. I don't. I believe whatever you chase. Look at my cat right here. Just jumps right up. What up, yo? I believe whatever you chase runs from you. All right, so let's see that there. Where's SBX? Do we have SBX up anywhere? We got Tesla. We got SPY. All right, so watching SPY here. It's really far away from that 1-hour trend, guys. Just staying a little patient. Let's see what happens if we can get a tag here at the 2-minute 20. QQQ. Let's do some analysis here on Qs. Once again, just kind of far from our moving averages. But buyers just could be that strong. I think there's some relief going on politically. All right, getting some selling there on SPY. That daily, we got a moving average cross on the daily, guys. You guys see this? Interesting. We haven't had a moving average cross on the daily since February. So it's going to be interesting to see how today ends and how that plays out. All right. Still pretty choppy market, but we're coming into the area of value. Getting a little bit of selling. Two-minute 20 not really being respected. Coming into the ALV. Watching Tesla. Might be having a little bit of a choppy morning. But you know what? That's okay because we know how to identify that. We can look at the market and be like, this is unhealthy price action. Like, I don't want nothing to do with this. This price action don't make me money. So staying patient, that's a skill. Not everyone's got it. Patience saves you more money than you make. All right, let's see. Coming back into open print here. I'm curious, SPX, what are you looking like for calls? Oh, I'd be a sick bastard to take the market long right here. Chris, what up, buddy? Good morning, fellow HPT stud. So we are retesting an area of value, right? In a bullish sense. The 1 hour trend has kind of piked up a little bit. Dude, look at Q's. Q's got the nasty wick. As well as Tesla. Well, Tesla ain't that crazy. Q's that can't be correct. You guys see how these ALVs hold though? I might long something here. We couldn't close above that 20 though. That's not necessarily bearish. Almost probably. I'm debating on a long play here. I'm just going to give it a little more thought. Primarily, we're like literally the guys, these areas of values, they do not play. Do you guys literally see how we came right into that AOV and the buying just increased like crazy? And now it's getting a little far away, right? So we had that split second there where I could have went long. I didn't. And that's okay. But I want to point out just how well these areas of value really work. Really volatile market. Probably not going to get the best fills. But just don't let it scare you, you know, just wait for the criteria you actually like. Look at this on the 5 minute, guys. Look at that on SPX. That looks so damn good. Look at that. Look at that. And it was off open print. Come on, baby. Dude, the range on this 5 minute candle is $2. Wow. All right, so we need to be high and tight today, gentlemen, guys. We must be high and tight. $2 5 minute candle ain't even done. All of them are $2. Every candle so far has been $2. Almost. That just means we're going to make a lot of money today. That's how I see it. $2 5 minute candles. Woo! That's how we were able to make 177% yesterday. This volatility, yeah, it makes things challenging. But when you get it, when you trade it correctly, you make bank. Look at these buyers, man. Great move off the area of value here. I'm watching the 2-minute time frame. I want to see. Give me a reason. Give me a reason. We are getting sellers here. Still a little patient here, guys. I'm looking for an entry, but I want to get a little bit, just a little closer. Just want to get a little closer to that area of value. I don't want to enter far away from it. Is it way too far for me? 5-minute looks pretty good, pretty healthy trend. Only thing I don't like is that candle. So we just stay impatient, guys. No rush. Give me 1 second. SPX buyers are trying here above that 50 EMA. I also like the 1 hour trend here. It was very extended and it has bumped up. This is still a bullish scenario according to the pre-market plan. I just really want to find somewhere I could get in. Watching 2-minute 20. If we can come tag the 2-minute 20 and end of day, I'll take a little long. Let's see. Watching close. Come on. I like that it's at EOD too. Tag. All right, let's see what happens here at this candle. It's still choppy. I feel like I'm kind of forcing the setup here. Not going to lie to you. Like this really is pretty choppy stuff. Five-minute trend looks pretty good though. No way. All right, I'm also watching Tesla, guys. Tesla just gave us an RBI. Tesla's actually it's not ready yet for longs, but I think it's gonna give us a great long opportunity here in like 10, 15 minutes. SPY, we just still got that flat 20. If we can end up holding this 20, I'll take a long play. Bam, we held it. We held it. Let's see here. Not in it just yet. Right there at EOD. Taking something small here. Something small on SPY. Once again, I feel like I'm kind of forcing this a little bit. It's really not in an area of value. But let's see what we do. I'm looking for this 2-minute 20 to hold. And for us to capture a move up into the highs here. I got to give it a little room to breathe, though, because the market's very, very wicky. It's super volatile. So I'm just trading one contract here. Didn't get the best fill on it. But I'm looking to play that moving average because Tesla's really pushing right now, too. Tesla is pushing. Probably bump this up a little bit here. And then as buyers respect it, I try to pull my stop up. And a pretty nice push here. Tesla is cooking, guys. Should definitely be trading Tesla right now. All right, pretty nice push. Pretty nice push. Dude, look at that push. Great push. Really good push there. Really good push. Oh, snap. Let's see. See what we get here on this little long play. You guys see like what happens off the 2-minute 20? It's a $500 play right there. Literally a $500 trade, just like that. That's an RBI now, too. So let's see if this can hold. I just want to look at Tesla. Let me bump my stop up here. I don't want to get stomped out of this. You caught that, Mike? Great play, brother. Phenomenal play. And once again, Mike, you see how that 2-minute 20 works? Damn, Tesla's cooking. Just like that, $500 play on futures. It's what I do in pre-market. That's how I'm already up $1,000 on the day here. Just little stuff in pre-market. Fuck. Tesla's cooking. Should have longed that on Tesla. I'd have been up another $1,000 right now. All right, SPY, pay me some money. I got one contract here on SPY. Getting a really nice push. Look at that. Look at that push. Great play, man. Phenomenal play. And all using moving averages. All using moving averages. You caught that too, Kaio? Great work. I'm going to let this cook for a little bit because Tesla is cooking. And I don't like the violent move up. But the overall bullish scenario is pretty good here. Damn, look at that push. I told y'all we're going to make money today. I tried to tell you guys. I tried to tell you guys. How far is she going to go? How far is she going to go? $1,000 off one con? Tesla's cooking. Let her cook. Come on, do something different today, guys. Let her cook. Got to get used to winning. Really strong push. Once this 5-minute candle closes, I might get out of it, because then it's extended from the moving average. So you guys see how I use the moving averages to do all that? All right, 5-minute candle closed. What if I see this start sucking in? I'm out. Bring this right up to there. That's how I'll do it. Bring it right up to that previous 2-minute. I got to practice what I preach, right? So unless that candle breaks, I'm staying in it. Just keep using the 2-minute. Let's see how much money we can make on this. Tesla's cooking. I'm frustrated. Still a good trade, Kyle. Still a good trade. We might rally straight up to 665 right there. Look at my boys playing off the 2-minute 20, though. I'm proud of you guys, man. All right, that candle just broke. 1200, pulling back, pulling back. Fuck, man, Tesla's still cooking. All right, let's keep going. I'm going to let the market tell me here. What do I want to do? Take it. 2100 on the day here. Just being pretty chill, and we're just getting started. I took it because I'm using too much. I'm using too much mental fortitude on that trade. Another reason, guys, why did I take that? Was the pullback worth it? I'm asking you, genuinely. Was the pullback to that moving average worth it? No. Take the money. Take the win, bro. See? Take the win. If it's like, if I'm up $1,000 on a trade and I see a pullback here, a pocket, I'm taking the money. It's not worth it. And look, we did it perfect. Always get back in, especially with futures. All right. So the funded, we're up about over $2,000. Now I wanna build that cash account up. Baby girl just took my credit card, so we gotta fill that up. Good play, guys. Great play off that 2-minute. But genuinely, you guys see how we use the moving averages to get in and to get out. Like Tesla right now, she's cooking. If I was in Tesla right now, I would not be getting out of this trade. And we're smacking we are smacking the top step right now. Great work. Good job. And you know what's crazy? Like, once again, guys, I just always remind myself what's working. What is working? Just keep doing what's working. Hold on. What the fuck? Am I still live? Okay. Yeah, I'm still live. Okay. Just keep focused on what works. All right, Tesla. See, we got the RBI on Tesla right here. And I wanted a pullback. But I was in that trade. It's okay. You know why that's okay? Because we have the tools to spot it again. Ready? Spy's going to give us some free money today, guys. Watch. We're not done with Spy. Watch this. Watch this. All right, ready? What do we got here on Spy, guys? We're retesting the area of value again, okay? So watch close here. This is where the more money is made. We have our AOV. So now I look to the 2 minute for guidance. That's it. 2 steps. That's it. AOV, watch the 2 minute. We might not get it because Tesla's ripping. If we can't close outside that 2 minute 20, I'm getting in it. We might not test it. Yeah. We're bouncing off the AOV. Tesla's moving. What a great start. Great start. See if we can do a $3,000 day. All right. Talk to me. Talk to me. Talk to me. What are we going to get? What's she going to do? Who's in control? Buyers or sellers? How do we know? 2 minute 20. Oof. Didn't touch it. It's a tricky one. Shit. 1 hour trend's kind of far away, so I am not going to chase it. I could pull it up, though. I hate when that happens. It's okay. It is what it is. Sometimes you don't get what you want. Other times you do. Both times, I stick to my approach and I stick to what works. I don't chase. If it don't touch it, I don't trade it. Do I miss things? Yeah. But when I hit, the win rate is extremely high. So. All right, Tesla. Oh, God is good. God is good. That's why I tell, like Mike, when we were talking yesterday in our session, I was like, we're not gonna go out and drive on the wrong side of the road tomorrow, right? Like that doesn't make sense. That's how we need to become while trading. Like there's no reason to do anything else. Like this is what works. And the more I trade, the more I realize that it's gonna take off on me. It's okay. That is another opportunity to build discipline. That's how I look at it. Another opportunity to build discipline. all work is good work, even stressful work, man. Trading can be a little stressful. I always remind myself, though, there's so much left on the day. Like, it's literally 10:30. What was it? Oh, yeah. What was it, Monday or Tuesday? No, it was Tuesday, guys. I made like a monstrous trade literally 30 minutes before the bell. There's a short play. That's not a bad long. I wouldn't fault no one for taking that. I just, it's too far away from me. The risk is all screwed. So stay patient on that one. Don't chase it. Yeah, it was this day. Right here. Let me show you. You guys see this? I literally caught this trade. This trade was insane. SPX 0-day contracts. My contract literally went from $100 to almost $2,000 on this trade. I put up 100, made almost in it. And once again, it's not like, oh my God, look at me. Price couldn't hold the price was trying to hold the level and it couldn't. And then boom, it fell. Oh, ready? That's why we don't hop in until we're told. See that pullback? Oh, look at Tesla. Here we go. Here we go. Come on, baby. Give me some good opportunity here. Oh, I'm watching Spy for Longs. Come on, baby. Is my boy Todd on? Todd, if you're on, let me know. I like how the AOV is holding there. Watch, guys. I'm watching Tesla. If Tesla comes back to that level, oh, God, please. It's going to be the money-making level right here. I fucking love this game. Tesla comes back here, guys. We are going to crack it. Spy is pushing off that AOV. I could have took a little play right there. And primarily because the 5-minute trend looks pretty good. Damn it. Damn it, Bobby. Son of a bitch. Damn it, Bobby. Come back to that moving average. My bad, guys. I'm pretty shot. I think I've lost my mind in the process of studying these damn charts. Damn it. Right off the AOV. Actually, I could have took that. I was being a bitch. It's okay. It's okay. Tesla, talk to me. What y'all doing? Dude, Tesla can't even give me a pullback to the 20? Come on, love. Come on, love. Look where the 20 is, too. It's right next to the AOV. It might be time to start trading SPX, too. Once again, we got to build that cash account up. All right, ready? Watch it. Tesla selling coming in. So far, where are we at? Okay, buyers have been holding the 20 pretty well. I don't like the fact that there was no retest right here. So this is a sign that things are starting to get a little irregular. Not 100%, but there is a chance. Tesla is running into previous day high. Let's see what she looks like on the daily time frame. Oh my God, baby. Oh baby. Oh baby. She cooking. I honestly might do a long play. We got earnings coming up on the 22nd too. Tesla might be a swing play. Chris, this might be a good swing trade right here on Tesla. We could talk more tomorrow about it, but I'm looking into this right here. Tesla is a lot of buying. I know it looks choppy, and you guys are probably like, "Yo, what are you talking about?" But when I look at this, where is it? I see we got a red bar that was just ignored, and we got this moving average play, right? We're holding that 20 here, and this bad boy was ignored. So potentially, we haven't ignored it yet. If today we close above PDH on Tesla, I might put on something small. We got 30 minutes left on this 1 hour candle. SPY is trying to sink. Talk to me, SPX. Ooh, look at SPX. Dude, yo, guys, that was the long play we took. We went long right there. Everybody that took that trade, pat yourself on your back. You're a stud. Because a lot of people were scared right there. We entered long right there. Look at that move we did, bro. We literally captured this move. This was phenomenal. This was a phenomenal play right there. I'm really proud of us right there. I really am. I'm proud, guys. That was good. Even in these crazy markets, we had super low risk. That's how you, like, guys, think about it. If you're on that trade right here, when I made 1,200, I initially risked 450. So I 1-3'd that trade. Oh, come on, 2-minute 20. Hold on. Let me shut up for a second. There's still money to be made here. Coming back into that AOV. Am I right? Yes, we are. Watching that 2-minute 20 close. Very close. Tesla with the selling. Come on, can you touch it? Can you touch it? Touch it for me. Bouncing off the AOV. Look. Oh, that 1 hour trend's kind of far away, but let's see where we at. Is she gonna hold? Yep, she's holding. Come on, move down a little bit for me. Give me a better fill. I want to long this. I just want a better fill. Oh yeah, here we go. All right, now we're touching it. And we are not longing that. Not yet. Not yet. We are in the AOV. This is prime time territory right here, boys. This is the candle that is going to tell us who is in control. Yep, sellers showing strength. Look at Tesla. Watch Tesla. Ooh. Hold up, guys. I'll be right back. All right, my bad, guys. You guys ready to make some money? All right, I'm watching Tesla. Spies back here where we went long earlier, and having bad stomach issues. I want to see Tesla come back to this level. Oh, bro, that'd be such a good potentially. You guys see how I try as hard as possible to never assume anything. Like, yeah, potentially we might get a great long play here off at Tesla. I really want to see a retest there. All right, spies at end of day. Big pullback by sellers. That don't mean nothing either. Goes up, goes right back down. What goes down goes right back up. So let's see. So notice here on Tesla, we fell below the 20. Josh, we closed outside of it. What do you mean go long? Yeah, well, it could be a fake out, right? Like fake outs tend to fuel markets up. So I'm more focused on the area of value and how well it's being respected. And guys, we might get some really good bearish criteria coming up here too on SPY, right? We're not there yet. Ooh. All right, this is where we get paid. We stay patient in rest, knowing that we're at the areas of value, we're at the key levels. So, and this is where people are rushing into things. We stay patient but diligent here. This is where this is where I do my best. I knew today was gonna be a good day, man. I literally just knew it. I knew it. So thankful, man. So thankful. Like this is our dreams, guys. Like this is what we always want to do. I'm not sitting here like, oh my God, I made it. I'm just so thankful, man. Just so thankful. Okay. Let's see what SPX is telling us. SPX fell down below EOD. Uh-oh. That looks like a bearish setup right there on SPX. Let's see what happens here. Pulling back up into that same area we went long in. We got a lot of downside potential. A lot. So this is about to get a little ugly, guys. I think. I'm watching that 2-minute 20. We get a solid retest up here. I might short that. Once again, I don't take trades far away. It's not my style. It's not my steez. It's not my steez, guys. That's not what we do. We don't chase. That's driving on the wrong side of the road. See how we came right up into that level? Right there. Market's trying to shift a little bit. Tesla is just so far away from its 1 hour. And it's such a rally. SPX starting to look real bearish. This is starting to get ugly right here. Trying to think how I want to play Tesla. Oh, I tell you what, I'm going to wait for the retest of this area of value. Go from there. SPY, I want to see it come back to the 20. If it respects it, I'll short the damn thing. That's it. Listen, there's nothing else to it. Understand the areas and watch the 20s. Let's see. This is touchy though because technically, oh wait, no, it looks like this. All right, here we go. Here we go. Do I want to play with this? Really don't like that 5 minute, but let's see what happens here at the 20. All right, speak to me. Speak to me, 20. What we doing? What's left on this 2-minute candle? 2 minutes. 1 minute. All right, we got 1 minute left on this 2 minute. Let's see what happens. Who can defend it? Buyers take it. We're probably headed right back up. Tesla with the bounce right there. She didn't give me what I was looking for. Holy shit. That's a $1.50 candle right here. All right, can we close outside of it though? Can we? This is where the magic happens. Can we close outside that 2-minute 20? Yes or no? Let's see. If we can't, I'm shorting this. Tesla's got the legs. All right, what we got? Couple seconds here. 4 seconds. Oh, and I'm short. Look at it go. Look at it go. Look at it go. Bam. Gotta love that 20. Let's see if we can get some follow through here. Really good risk on this trade. Really good. Once again, can't close outside that 20. I got to trade with it. We're at the area of value from earlier. Let me grab this guy. We got a short play, ladies and gentlemen, with a great entry. Let's go. Let's see what we get. What we going to get? Got to take that, baby. Got to take that one. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. Got to take that one. You seen how quick we were with that entry? That was like, bam. Couldn't close? Boom, I'm in it. That is how you trade these markets. High and tight. Look at that. I might get in this on my cash account. Look at that pullback right there. Look at that, guys. Come on, baby. Let's dump to open print. Oh, look at her dumping. Look at her dumping. Come on. Only one contract, so I got to play it smart. I don't like that gap there. I don't like it. Got a gap on the moving average, but it is what it is. I got to play it out. I got to play it out right now. Watching end of day. We're right there at EOD. I need to see that selling pressure continue. Ooh, nice close. Nice close. Probably could bump that stop down a little bit. I don't like the 5 minute. I just don't like the quick, violent move down. Let's see if we can get some continuation here. Honestly, I might. Let's see here. What we doing? What we doing? SPX. I'm going to keep it right above the candle we got in. Let's see if we can get a push down here. I don't want to see it take that candle's high. If it takes the previous candle, I'm going to be eyeing to get out of this. I'm getting option on my phone here too. I might be taking a short play here on my phone. My cash account. Can't close outside the 20. Just got to trade with the 20. Can we get some continuation? I'll tell you what. I'll tell you what. I honestly should have took the profit super fast on this one because we were super extended from the 9. That's not my style. But it is what it is. I should have scalped it. We still holding that 2-minute 20. Let's see what we get here. Can she continue? It's a vital part right here. Very important. 2-minute 20. I'm watching you. Talk to me. Talk to me. I might get humbled on this trade. I was getting a little too cocky. He's getting a little too cocky. Oh, yeah. I'm getting humbled. Can she hold? Can she hold? Yeah, that's not looking good. Maybe. Hold on. We're not there yet. We ain't there yet. What's happening? What's happening? It's, I always remind myself it's not that important, guys. We're doing pretty good on the day. If it breaks that high, though, I got to get out of it. Super low risk. That's how the system works because the risk is very low. I'm out of it. Out of it. On to the next. The AOV is probably going to hold too. I should have probably kept it a little lower. Tesla, nice bounce here off the 20. Hurst, good job, brother. I hope you were able to capitalize on that. I got a little too cocky on it. It looks like it's going to stomp me out and probably continue. So just got to laugh. Just got to laugh. Watch it not close outside the 22. You son of a bitch. Oh my God, it didn't. I got to try one more. I got to. Damn, son. That is so dirty. This might be my last trade of the day. I got to put this a little outside the AOV. Let's see if it can hold. It's a little sketchy. It's a sketchy trade. But let's see what we get. That 2-minute 20 is just being, look at that. It couldn't close outside of it. I probably shouldn't have just entered back in. Probably should have took a step away or at least reevaluated, but I'm in it now. Let's see what happens. Let's see if this AOV can hold. A little bit of revenge trading going on right here. But the thing is I'm noticing it. Okay, I'm noticing the behavior, and I'm still trading off key levels. Ooh, hold on, guys. I might be getting in this on my cash account. This is looking good. This is looking good. Look at that on SPX. Look at that. Okay. This thing, I'm sorry, I gotta get rid of this thing. It's bothering me. Yeah, I'm holding off just because we're right at EOD. There's definitely something going on right here. What's the 5-minute look like here? It's just Tesla's bullying the market right here. This is a tough call right here. We could get a GBI right here and the market could sink, but it's a long shot because we're at that EOD. Oh, look at the 2-minute. Look at that 2-minute. Bump that stop down, guys. Bump that stop down. Don't risk a lot on this. See if we can get the lows. See if we can get the lows, and we'll lock this account in. You guys see how the area of value held though? Like you guys understand what I'm talking about when I say this, right? It's very important. There it goes. I want to see us close below end of day. Yeah, I don't like this EOD level. Don't like it. Yeah, let me see here. I got my stop in where it needs to be. If it hits, it hits. Oh, we kind of closed above it right there. I don't like that. Did we? Yeah, we did. We did. Let's see. I'm going to keep this real tight. On SPY, on this, we did not. We did not close outside the 20 here on my SPY chart. So we're just going to stick to it. Tesla, what are you doing? I like Tesla. We're just so far away from its damn 1 hour. Thing is cooked. All right. Come on. Give me my money. Give me my money. Come on. Pay me. Come on. Come on. Give me my money. Give me the money. That's so beautiful right there. Still no RBI though, so this is probably going to sell off, but I don't want to enter in on my SPX just yet because there's still no clear RBI and we haven't closed below EOD on the 5 minute yet. So there's still a lot going on. I could probably bump my stop. I'll keep it where it is. I think Tesla is starting to shift around too. So let's see what we get. Bam, son. Where did you find this? Come on. Come on. Let's make it a $3,000 day today. See if we can do it. Oh, baby. Come on. Oh, baby. I want 3K on the funded, and I want at least 1K on my cash account. Come on, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Give me my money. Can't close outside the 20. Trade with the 20. Got a little wick right here. I'm just going to use the 2 minute 20 as my stop loss. Watching Tesla coming into open print here on SPX. Come on, pile right through it. Pile right through it. Yes, sir. Look at that. Look at it. Come on, guys. I need another, 1,200 to pass this account. We're almost there. I'll put the stop right there at 1,300. Let's see if we get it. Watching Tesla. We're coming into a key level. Tesla, come on, baby. We're at open print here on SPX. That was my target, guys. Come on, sink through it. Sink through it. I'm watching Tesla close. I might be taking profits on this. Come on, sink through it. Can we drop it? Can the bottom drop? Can the bottom drop? Bottom's going to drop. Look. How much left? Couple minutes left on this 5 minute. Come on. Drop. Oh, it's dropping. Look at the drop. Break it. Break it. Break it. We're breaking it. It's an important level. Come on, sell through. Sell it. 37. Look at it. Sink, baby. Oh, yeah. That was a good trade. It was a really good trade. I'm just trying to figure out how I want to approach profit taking here. Don't be retarded. This is open print. And it's lining up with the 50. 50 was respected earlier. This is a tough one. I really want to see how this candle closes, but I don't want to give too much back on it. We close below that 50. She's going to dump. What's Tesla doing? Oh, it's right at our key level. I'm getting out of this. Hold on. I'm more concerned with what Tesla's doing for my profit taking here. We're right at that area of value on Tesla. If we need to, this is important, guys. This is very important. How are we going to close? We got a minute left on this. 4 seconds. Out. Booked it. Probably shouldn't have, but I want to focus more on Tesla. Want to focus a little more on Tesla. All right. We're almost there. I like 400 here. 26.30. So now is where the magic happens, those guys, because now we get to play the pullbacks into the moving averages. We better understand the story. We also have the 1 hour trend right here. All right, so let's put now. What do we do? Watch the 20. That's it. I hope you guys are killing it today, man. Y'all better be. So it's been a little tough. Look how choppy this day's been. Literally, we're killing it, though. I shouldn't have sold that. I should have. Well, it's at open print. That was my target, so I'm not going to beat myself up over it. Don't be don't do what I just did. Lock the shit in. And I was more kind of frustrated because this candle stopped me out. I should have held it based on the area of value. But we came back, and I got out exactly where I should have. Tesla. I got to try a long on Tesla. I want a better entry. But that just makes a lot of sense to try. Hold on. I'm not in it just yet. I don't like the 1 hour trend. There's a couple things I don't like about this trade. I'm watching the 2 minute 20 here. I gotta calm down. I just gotta calm down a little bit. Watch the 2 minute 20 on SPY right now. We're at the 1 hour trend. We are at open print. So this is key. So watch that. I want to see a retest of it. Tesla, maybe we get a better entry. Let's see. We're doing good, though. We're doing good. Great. You see how I took profit on that? You guys see how I took profit on this short play, though? As soon as the 5 minute candle closed, it opened the gap in between price and the moving average. Boom, I cut it. Use the moving averages to do shit like that. Excuse my French. But that way you're not like if you're extended from the moving average, do not stay in the trade. Come on, baby. What's happening? Tesla's what's happening. Was it 11 o'clock? All right, guys. I think this is it for me. We had a great session here. Let's see here. Great session. For anybody that's just joining us and wants to get involved with a phenomenal team that is really just a good spot to be, check out those links below. I send my strategy and a mini course. And for anybody looking to trade with us, I'm accepting 10 new traders on our Trader Bootcamp Path to Profitability program. So check that out. Our mentorship's full right now, so I can't take any more mentorship clients. But all people that join Trader Bootcamp do get 4 sessions with me, so that's extremely valuable. And I break down all of our principles and our strategies. So it's a great day. Yeah, I'm $400 away from the $3,000 mark, but I don't want to force anything to make it happen. I want to focus more on my cash account right now. And I appreciate you guys being here with us. We look at these 2 trades. You guys should be proud of yourselves. If you guys took these trades, you should definitely be proud of yourself. Super choppy market, but we still came out on top. So I love you guys. I'll see you guys next week.